would not believe how long it took me to get off the pink around my neck and all, and my head and everything. And it's still there obviously, but it's gonna be there for a little while. But yeah, today I will be filming my room tour because I need to film it before I leave, because this is my last year here, and it's also my last year in uni, so it's kind of bittersweet. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my room in now. Right guys, I thought I could wait for my hair to dry in this video, but it's taking way too long, so I'm just gonna start it. So my room is absolutely tiny. It's a little box room, and it's the smallest room in the house. But what it lacks in size, it makes up for in character, is what I believe to be true. So I'm gonna go into more detail and show you more things. I didn't even turn on the light. Show you more things that I want to remember in the future, that where I put things, what I had. Let us begin with my desk. Okay. So here on my desk we have speakers. This is one of those hands you can move, and I put some flowers that I got in a bouquet from Mickey for Valentine's Day last year. Little calendar. Here are some old vintage boxes. A little thing that Kadita gave me a long time ago. This is another thing from my mom, and this is a comb that she used to use a lot. This is a little clock from my grandma. This is for like cutting stuff on. This is a little photo album. Let's see what's the first photo, if it's incriminating or not. No, it's just my dad with a photo of me next to him. It was actually meant to be wrapping paper, but I really liked it, so I just put it on my wall. I've got some DS games, CDs like Supergrass, my favorite band. Here are my finger puppet Ghibli characters. I really need to collect them all, but they're super expensive. So here, yeah, this is my crazy figurine and random nautical trinkets corner. I've got some marbles here, and this lovely plant is from my mom. So beautiful. And it's like hearts. Lots of shells that I used to collect with my mom. This is from the ramen museum or something like that, cup noodle museum in Japan, and we get to design our own cup and then put our own flavors and stuff inside it, so that's awesome. Gudetama hairbrush from Mickey, and a little Gudetama egg. Howl's Moving Castle figurines. Some shells from Okinawa. Well, it's not a shell, it's a coral. Still got this Rilakkuma bag where I made it a long time ago, and I put my electrical items in there. This you can actually use as a ping pong paddle. Here got some Uzumaki books, which are my favorite horror manga. So here we've got my shirt, trousers, jumpers, and bags in there, and then this is my uni bag. So now we're back to my wardrobe. It's not very interesting, just got a lot of clothes that I thrifted, and yeah, I have a problem. Down here, these are my Tsum-Tsums. That one's Mickey's, that one's mine. My other anatomical figurine thing, and I just keep my necklaces, bracelets, and hair stuff on there. I haven't checked this in a while, so I'll be interested to see. But here is my pressed plant. Here it is. Oh, it's looking really good. Hair products, body products, hair bubbles and things, my jewelry, phone and like keyring stuff, makeup, nails, and like little hipster glasses. Yes, I know. This is my little makeup bag. This is my radiator, and I just keep things on it. I don't know. I just feel like it's so bare without stuff there. I guess that's my hoarding problem. This is my postcard from when we did the Mount Fuji tour. Fun fact is that we never got to see Mount Fuji because it was covered in cloud. Cat just chilling behind my radiator. This is what Mickey made me from when he went to Japan last time. It's so sweet. My cactus from my friend Adele. My cactus, it's got so much bigger. Little cat stretching on this one, so cute. This is another plant from Lydia, which is really nice of her. And that one's got so much bigger too. So my bin, some art files. It's a street sign that was abandoned, okay? It was abandoned. My guitar, my little Polaroids, some of my berets, which I literally always wear. My mum made these. Yeah, they always stay with me. Under my bed I have my little comic, which I keep with me just to remind me that I actually finished a story and a comic. And I should be proud of that. All of my Ghibli DVDs, I pretty much got the whole collection because I'm a freaking nerd. And more art things here. My printer looking all sad. And my phone has a Gudetama case. Yeah, I love it. My lamp with my headphones on it. My vitamin D tablets because I started taking them because your girl never goes outside. Piggy bank Totoro from Hong Kong. I rediscovered my old iPod, so I was listening to my old music in there. I'm learning Cantonese. I'm trying to get back into it because I've forgotten a lot. So I think that's pretty much it. That is my room because I literally always do a room tour before I leave a place so that I can remember it. So I really like looking back at my old videos. So they'll be linked below if you want to see my old room tour. I hope that was time well wasted. And I'll see you in the next one. Whenever that is.